In this video, you're going to learn how to steal your competitors' customers using Facebook. These are advanced affiliate marketing techniques. So if you've been struggling with affiliate marketing and you've been asking yourself, where do I find customers? Where do I find customers? You keep hearing all these gurus talk about SEO. You keep hearing them talk about running paid ads. I'm going to show you not only how to get customers the faster way, but for free. I'm the infamous Joel, and your boss hates me because I show you how to live a life of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. And if you're infamous too, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Let's go. Now, before we get started, I'd like to apologize because that entire introduction I went through, I forgot to bring in my best friend, the infamous Pikachu. So now that he's here with us, we're ready to rock and roll. Let's go. All right, now first of all, for this advanced technique, the first thing you got to do is gather a little bit of data. You got to know a little bit about your target audience. For example, me, I do high ticket affiliate sales, and I help people start online with affiliate marketing. So I'm going to look for specific kinds of people. So right now, what we're looking at is called Facebook Audience Insights. If you've never heard of it, it's a tool that Facebook allows you to use for free, where you can look into all the insights and behaviors and likes and interests of all the people in the world on Facebook. That's right, Facebook is Big Brother. They're watching you. They know every little thing that you like and dislike and heart and laugh at. So be careful, because you're going to get some weird ads. So this is great. Me, as a regular old person, can read everybody's mind all around the world. As you can see, the audience is over 1 billion people. And these are the overall numbers. 44% of women on Facebook, 56% of men on Facebook, and we see all the different age demographics, how everything's broken down. 43% are married, not too many people engaged, so you might not want to sell too much engagement related stuff on Facebook. So what I would do right here for my personal audience, I'd go over here to interest and I'd put affiliate marketing. As you can see, now it changed. Now the audience size is about 7 to 8 million people, and now you can see it's 67% men and 33% women. So 2/3 of affiliate marketers in the world are men. And you can see here that most of them aren't married, most of them are single, and most of them have a college education. And you see what types of jobs they have. If they're interested in affiliate marketing, they have IT jobs, computer and mathematics, or arts and entertainment type jobs. A ton of them have management positions. But what we really want to look at in here is we want to come up here and click on page likes, because we want to find out what other types of likes these people have. We want to know where they're at. You can see here all the different likes and interests that these people have. For some reason, they like a guy named Brandon Steiner. No, I don't know who that is. They like computer training school, soft tech, IT. They like hot forex, whatever that is. They like the entrepreneurs Dan Locke and Justin Sun. I know Dan Locke, I don't know who the other guy is. But say by knowing that they like Dan Locke, I actually go over to Dan Locke's fan page, and I can actually look through Dan Locke's post and see who liked his stuff. Look, this post right here has almost 6,000 comments. I can see who liked it, who loved it. I just clicked on a list of people who liked it, and I can look through and I can see if somebody catches my eye. I don't like people who don't have profile pictures. That shows that they're really weird. So I wasn't able to find anybody there. So what I'll do is I'll narrow down my search more by putting United States. And we can see here, instantly it changed. Look at the likes. Look at the things that people are interested in the United States when it comes to affiliate marketing. Most people are into Russell Brunson, Gary Vee, Robert Kiyosaki. So let's go over to Russell Brunson's fan page. He looks like a fun guy to me, right? And every time he speaks, he makes me pull out my wallet. I want to punch him in the face, but I love him. So again, we look through one of his posts and we see who loved, who liked, and we try to look for somebody who's a good fit for our product, whatever product that may be. Now, one of the other ways to find great prospects is just to join groups in your interest. And in this case, it's affiliate marketing, right? You find groups, you find people who are active, you find people who need help with their problem, you help them with their problems, you send them friend requests, and you do the same thing. Or what I also do is just go through the members list of the group and do the same thing I just did with the person's fan page. Another technique I use is I'm targeted by ads all day long, right? And so are you. So I use that to my advantage. I don't care about the ads. I never buy anything that they show me. But what you can do is you can see what other people are liking it, loving it, commenting. What are they saying? Maybe they're a potential prospect for you too. So here's one I got from Jiru. I don't know how to say that. It looks like some kind of funnel builder. It looks like some kind of rocket science based funnel builder. It looks extremely complicated. I would never get anything like this. But as you can see, 201 people liked it. So I'll just look through this list. I might even read some of the comments to see what people said. If they like this funnel builder thing, then maybe they're into building funnels. And if they're into building funnels, then maybe they're into having their own online business. And if they're into having their own online business, maybe they're into affiliate marketing or they're interested in it. So as you can see, there's no end to finding prospects on Facebook. They're everywhere. There are millions and millions of them. And there's new ones every single day. There's always new people looking to get into whatever niche that you're in. People that are into getting in the fitness niche. They're into trying to lose weight. People that are trying to get into affiliate marketing, they need to start a business online. There's no end to them. So just scroll through Facebook every day, find the fan pages, find the ads, find the groups, just get out there and mingle. Now I want to make this point real quick because I've shown a few people the techniques that I use. I just do this for free all day, every day. I don't run ads. But what happens is when people get out there and they talk to like 3 people and they hear no, that somebody's not interested, they give up and they say that it doesn't work. Now let's say you ran paid ads. If you ran a paid ad and the paid ad got clicked by 100 people and nobody bought, nobody cares. Nobody ever looks at that and says, oh, I had a failure of a paid ad. So even though the majority of people say no to your paid ad, you still think it's a successful ad because you got a bunch of clicks. You at least got people interested. But for some reason, when it comes to this organic and free approach that I show people, people want to talk to 3 or 4 people and they hear no and they're discouraged. They're like, it must not work. It's a numbers game either way. Either way, you're going to be talking to a lot of people. The difference is, do you want to do it for free and have no risk? Yeah, you're going to hear get lost and you're annoying and all that all day, every day. But what do you think people say to your ad? You're just not there. Or you can pay a ton of money to run paid ads and tweak things and try to get the numbers just right. It's totally up to you. But just remember that I said before and now that in life, you're only going to get things done in 3 ways. They're going to be done cheap, they're going to be done fast, or they're going to be done right. And you can get things cheap and done right, but it's not going to be fast. And that's what I'm showing you right here. I'm having multiple $1,000 days by using this technique right here. Is it fast? No. But am I having any ad spend to worry about? No. So it's all profit. So it's totally up to you what you want to do. But I just show you how to get customers on Facebook for free. Now go out there and do it. Now if you want to learn more about how to do affiliate marketing the advanced way, the right way like this, then click on the link in the description below where I have a free training set up just for you. And if you want to see more videos about me ranting and raving with my partner, the infamous Pikachu, then click on this video right here. I'm the infamous Joel and I'm out.